Welcome to Jaya's Gujarati kitchen. Today we are reviving a traditional Gujarati dish called Wadi. This recipe is going to be divided in two parts because the Wadi needs to be dried before we can cook it any further. So let's go through the ingredients together. 100 grams of split chickpeas or chana daar, 100 grams of split black-eyed peas or chora daar, and 100 grams of mung beans. Using 300 milliliters of warm water per bowl, we are going to soak the lentils. Give them a gentle stir. Cover and place in a warm place and leave to soak for 10 hours. After the soaking time, wash each lentil thoroughly until the water runs clear and drain all the water. When it comes to the split black-eyed peas, try to remove the skins that are floating on the surface. But don't worry if you don't remove all of them. Next, we start grinding the lentils. It is important that you grind separately because each lentil has a different consistency. And this is how the ground lentils should look like. Place the ground lentils in a big bowl, and now we can start with the next step of our recipe. 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic chili paste, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon of dhana jeeru, 1/4 teaspoon garam masala, 1/4 teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, 2 tablespoons of dry methi or 20 grams if you are using fresh or frozen, 15 grams of freshly chopped coriander, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of hing. So, let's get all the ingredients together and let's start. Add all the ingredients to the lentils. Mix everything together until all ingredients are well combined. Prepare your trays where the wadi will be drying, and we are using greaseproof paper. Please do help us in keeping these traditional recipes going by subscribing to our channel and pressing the notification button for all our updates. Now we can start forming our wadi. As you can see, we are forming our wadi in small shapes. They don't have to be perfectly round, just like little nuggets. Once all wadi have been formed, put in a warm place and leave to dry completely, which can take up to a couple of days. Once dried, they can be stored in glass containers and can be left for over a year. And once our wadi are dry, we are going to take some and we are going to make wadi nushak. So stay tuned for this delectable curry. See you soon!